Alright guys, this is Mr. Seton 007 talking about the front end noise. So this is the from my other video. Should have linked you to this one. This is the other front end piece here. This rubber boot is what I put here. You see that? That's what I talked about replacing. This was missing on the front end, so it was making that noise I mentioned in my other video. So it's all greased up. You're going to take that one piece that comes in the kit. Link should be in the description. You force it over the end, just like that. Then you put it back inside. You force it down, and then it will give you that pressure. So when you put on the caliber, you'll be able to fit it on, push this down, fit it in, put the screws to the caliber, the bolts rather, and you should be good. No more noise. The bottom piece, you can see the difference. It's a solid piece. Let me put it down here, and you can see now with this one, this is not a solid piece like that. It has a tapered end, so that rubber boot here goes over the tapered end, and that's the bottom piece, solid. Alright, so that'll keep it from rattling and you chasing front end noise. Like and subscribe. Mr. Seton 007.